Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your plan allows tethering and that you have enough data. Carriers may throttle or charge extra. Once confirmed, enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for convenience, and open settings, then connections or network. Make sure battery saver is off so the hotspot won't sleep. Now tap mobile hotspot and tethering to enter the hotspot setup. You're moving immediately from prerequisites into action, so the phone can advertise its network to other devices right away. Next, configure the hotspot details so connections are secure and stable. Rename the SSID to something recognizable, then select WPA2 or WPA3 and type a strong password. This prevents bandwidth theft and keeps devices private. Pick the AP band, 4 GHz for range, 5 GHz for speed, and set a reasonable device limit to avoid congestion. Once done, enable the hotspot switch. The phone will start broadcasting, and you can join from your other device. Finally, connect your laptop or tablet. Select the SSID, enter the password, and confirm you receive an IP address. This verifies routing. If speeds are slow, switch the AP band, limit active devices, or reboot the hotspot to clear software hiccups. If clients connect but have no internet, toggle mobile data and check the APN settings. Sometimes a carrier restart is needed. A single key troubleshooting tip: restart mobile data and the hotspot first. Most tethering issues resolve with that simple reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.